In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Sheets in Gmail. If you ever find yourself in your inbox and need to jump straight into a spreadsheet, this quick workflow keeps everything in the Google ecosystem and saves you a few clicks. We'll start on Google's homepage, move into Gmail, and then use the built-in app launcher to open Sheets in a new tab. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures you're within your Google account environment. You should see the familiar Google logo, a search bar in the center, and navigation options along the top right. From there, open Gmail. You can use the Gmail link at the top right of the Google homepage, or simply navigate to Gmail the way you usually do. Once your inbox loads, you'll be on the main Gmail screen with your messages in the center and the standard toolbar across the top. Now look to the very top right of the Gmail page for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid made up of 9 dots in a 3x3 square. This button opens the app launcher that gives you quick access to Google's core tools without leaving Gmail. Click that grid icon to open the panel. A compact window will appear, and you can scroll within it if needed. Inside this panel, find Google Sheets. It's the green icon with a white table, labeled Sheets. If it isn't visible immediately, just scroll down. The apps are listed in a grid and some may be lower in the list depending on your usage. Click the Sheets icon. Your browser will open Google Sheets in a new tab, leaving your Gmail tab exactly where it is, so you can switch back at any time. Once the Sheets homepage opens, you'll see your recent spreadsheets, template options, and a search bar to locate specific files. From here, you can open an existing spreadsheet or start fresh, all launched directly from Gmail. This is especially handy during busy email sessions when you need to reference a tracker, make quick edits, or create a new sheet on the fly. That's all there is to it. Start on Google, open Gmail, click the grid icon in the top right, and choose Sheets. With these steps, you can move fluidly between your inbox and your spreadsheets without breaking focus. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough the next time you're working in Gmail and want instant access to Google Sheets.